Welcome to Cephable Personal, the free platform that allows you to add voice controls, head movement, and face expressions to any of the apps that you might be using. To get started, you can try using voice controls or head moving their face expressions directly within the app. For example, if you were to click on Try Voice Control, you'd see that your microphone starts and your speech recognition is running. You'll see your speech running as long as you're talking. You can always turn it off, pause it, do dictation mode, or go to settings too. You can also collapse this panel so that it will run in the background. Once you've tried out something like voice controls or tried out camera controls, you can go on to look at the different app controls that Cephable's already trained on. For example, if I wanted to use something like Microsoft Word, I can search for that and then see that I have Microsoft Word controls ready to go. If there's an application that you want to control that Cephable doesn't already have controls for, you can always try to create your own from scratch. Going into something like adding Microsoft Word, I can preview all of the different details here, add it to my account, and then I'm off and running. You can switch your different controls that you're using from the Cephable dashboard here, or you can get to it from the panel by clicking the swap controls, which will take you back here to be able to switch. So if I wanted to switch to File Explorer controls, or if I wanted to switch to Microsoft Word, I can do that. You can also switch your different app controls with a voice command. For example, switch profile, Microsoft Word, and it switched to my Word profile for me. In the settings and configuration view, you can manage different app controls. You can make changes to them as far as you want to. You can edit your different global controls. You can change your microphone settings, your camera settings, your preferences, and everything else. Then you use the panel to actually use these controls across your different applications. For example, with my Microsoft Word controls running, if I open up Microsoft Word, then I can do things like use my voice commands or my face expressions or gestures in order to interact with it. I can also use dictation to type here. Enter. Type, how cool is that, question mark. Select all, bold, undo. In Cephable Personal, you need to use the exact voice commands that you have available in your different app controls. You can see them at any point from the panel. You can continue to use these controls even with the panel collapsed. For example, I can try to dictate again. Type, isn't it cool that I can continue dictating without the panel open, question mark. So get started with Cephable Personal by adding your different applications, using voice commands, using dictation, using face controls and face expressions, and check out the other tutorials and guides to get started.